Hello, and welcome to part 2 of how to get a slide. This time we're going to do an in-game one. Interesting about this one is that I do not have a mock-up for this one at all. And simply what that means is that we are just going to go straight into webflow and design from just an idea that we have in our head. And I'm doing this because I want people to kind of see that it's possible to do. You don't need Photoshop at all for this. What we're going to do here is create a div block. As always, inside of here, we're going to give that a name of content, and we need to give this, here we go, 1920 by 1080, probably because I already created this tag once before when I tried things out, because I've already uploaded some icons here. I also uploaded the typefaces that we're gonna use, so everything is already set, so we don't need to do that. But what we do need to do is create the size of our thing. And let's see what we're gonna do. We want this to be called maybe just slide. Yeah, cool. And something like 400, maybe 410, and maybe 72 or 72. That looks about right? Yeah, it does. Cool. We know that we want it to have a background. Let's just add any color here we feel like. I don't even feel like grabbing a color from. Yeah, I was gonna go in and grab a color from Photoshop, but I'm not even gonna use Photoshop in this case. Let's see what we can do as well. We could go in and do something like this, 10 pixels and 10 pixels, even more, like 100 here, 100 over here. You kind of get this effect. Not that I really like it, but it's just some cool things you could do, perhaps. To show the range of this program. Or we can also remove it pretty easily. Go into this one even and do something like this. That's pretty cool. We're not gonna do that though. Just experimenting. We could give it a border, different type of borders. That's always cool. We could, have a border like this. Let's think. I'm stalling for time because I'm thinking kind of what I want to do. We could give it a shadow as well. Queen transitions. Yeah, I mean, not really needed in this case. Effects, not really needed in this case. But let's do this. We want to have an image. Actually, we want to make the slide. We want to make that into a flex because we want things to line up next to each other. And we do that easiest with that one. And then inside the slide, a div? No, we don't want a div. We want a image first of all. So we want an image that goes in here, and yes, and that should be one of these. Let's start with this, and this should not be like this though. Let's give this a this is a social bar, I guess, kind of advertise some things. So let's give this a social icon, and the reason why it's stretched is because this is the default one, so the line can stretch it itself. We don't want that. We want it in center like this. We could even do like this. Then we don't know, but I would assume maybe we want a little bit of padding on the inside. Let's make that 20. Looks all right. I might actually want to. I wonder if that's possible. I doubt it though. Because social icons on the slide. Okay, so let's do it like this. A div block inside of here, and this right above it, and this, because I'm thinking that maybe I do want sort of a divider between these two. then I need to go in here. I need to give it 20 on this side as well, so we get the same type of spacing on both sides. But what I really wanted to do was go into my div block, give this a name of information. Info text. Yeah, that's good enough. No, yeah, okay. I could have done it in a paragraph in itself, but let's put a paragraph inside of this div. This is gonna be a little bit better, hopefully. So there's a divider right now. Doesn't look too impressive, I must say. So might just want to. What can I select it? There we go. All right, because I was over here. I do want to maybe do this. Maybe that's kind of cool. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's why. Do it 2 pixels? No, that's not cool. 1 pixel look good. I just don't like the color of it that much. So maybe I do like a saturated yellow, like a dark yellow even. Oh, none. What? Okay. Oh, okay. It's really dark. Maybe like there. No, I think I like maybe this better. That looks sort of cool. But let's change this to black and see how it looks. You know what? Let's go back to our regular. Oh, that's really wide. Why is it so wide? Oh, hold on. Oh, hold on. That looks. I mean, it looks alright. It doesn't look bad. Let's roll with it. Let's roll with it. And now we want a paragraph, or we want a text block, I guess, or heading. Headings are really better. Heading inside of this one. Yeah, H1 is fine. And we want this also to be. I'm thinking here. I'm thinking that this. Yeah, okay. Need to give it its own thing. And we can just call it heading social or H1 social. And we want to remove these because they are the default ones and we don't need those. I guess we're gonna give it our own. And then we want to probably adjust here. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, so it gives it. Yeah. Oh! I see what I did now. I see what I did. I made a mistake in here, I think, and I gave them all a 1 pixel, which it shouldn't be, because I only want this one to be a 1 pixel. No? Oh shit. Oh. How did... Okay, hold on. So you no style. No style. No style. If we only want... Oh? Okay. Oh. 1 pixel. There we go. That's much better. Now it looks much better. Okay. So I had added too many values to all the surrounding things. So we kind of gave that one additional ones. Yeah, that's why it looked so weird, and that's where we got the thing around the heading as well. And that's not what we want at all. What we do want is to have some padding. Oh, yeah, padding. Yeah, padding in here, I think. Yeah, that looks good. We'll change this text though to be in a black color, and we want to change it to normal because we are going to use this, I think. Yeah, that's good. We want to make it smaller, and this is just going to be Twitch LiveSpace.sc. And I'm wondering right now that maybe this is a bit too large. Maybe let's try 20. It's good. I like that. Yeah. And maybe down just a little bit. Just a little bit. So yeah, that is good. And that could be like our first thing. Again, I mean, we could go back inside of our slide. We could just do like a 50%. See, that looks, whoa, no, hold on. Okay, not 50%. What is it? All right. Let's do in pixels then. Let's see if that works better. Yeah, it does. That's good, like a little bit of pill. Maybe. No, I don't like it. Maybe it works better for, I mean, everything here is gonna work differently for your style. But this looks better in terms of like the kind of stuff that I do, or stuff, or the kind of brand that I'm running with. So let's keep that in mind. So that is our slide, right? So we need that to be duplicated. Shaking so it doesn't double itself up. Yes, doesn't really matter. It's just good. And then we have Instagram. That just just worked. And then we have the Instagram image over here. I wonder if the other ones are going to work that well. We could do just like this. People know that that's Instagram. Hopefully. I mean, I'm working on that assumption, but it tends to be correct. I'm trying to duplicate this one. There we go. And then here we give this just at visible speech, and we know that that's then our Twitter. And then finally we can do this. Okay, cool. Give it this YouTube one, and then just go youtube.livespace.sc. That's our 4 slides pretty much. Pretty quick, but it works. And then just the same that we did with our other slide, we want to create a slide. So we put in a slide inside of our content, which just goes on top as always. We can remove our left arrow and a right arrow, and in this case, even the slide, or even the slide thing, or what's it called, nav bar. Is it nav bar? Slide nav, yeah, cool. And here we have our slides. We want to pull this into this into this. I want to go into our slider and create 2 more of those. 1, 2, and then instead of those we push this and this, and now we kind of already have it done, right? Yeah, pretty much. Look, here's a slider. We can slide it. I'm gonna slide over in this case. Autoplay slides. After 0, time delay 4, that's good. We don't care about that, doesn't really matter. Duration, this is how fast it slides, that's animation speed. This is the animation duration. And this amount of time to loops. 0 means it loops forever. What we want to do, however, is give the slide a class. Just call it slide or social slide. And we want to give it the same height as the other one. Was it 410? I think so. maybe, and then it was 7.2. Or look at that, memory is working. Then now, depending on if we want to just pull this straight in, because we can just pull this in as it is right now and it will work. But you might also want to add more things, and then you want to position things correctly. So say you want it in the top, and maybe we want it like 19 pixels down. So we maybe like so and like so. It depends, right? It kind of depends on kind of how you want to do this, because if you pull this website right now, you can still position it around in any way that you wanted to. We could even go in and do something like into our content here and give this the specific width and height, and then just pull that in, and that works the same way. And you can position it inside of OBS, the same way you position image, you just drag it around, the same we can do with this. But we can also check so everything looks good in the animation parts. Slide here, let's look how it looks. It looks pretty cool. I like it. Different animations. Could we do maybe ease? Oh, this is so many different ones. I never used. Oh, back. Oh, it kind of bounces. That's nice. I like that. I do like that. What's this? Oh, this is just watching those. Okay. Yeah. No, I like that. I do. And then you can just go into here, publish selected domains, check it out, and it should animate, right? Yeah, here we go. Quick. Easy to make. And something that anyone now can have. Simple stuff, right? Okay. As a quick tutorial, just to get you kind of understanding what's possible in webflow. I'm not sure we're gonna keep on doing this for next week. I might do something different. Maybe get back into writing articles, because that's fun as well. But do keep an eye on this channel. Keep an eye on the website as well. That is blogg.livespace.sc. And also, if you want to learn more about kind of how you can get even better things than this, if you want me to build this stuff for you in Webflow, if you want to be custom built, or you want to use pre-built things that is even more dynamic than this, that you don't even need to change, it's just on its own, really cool, slick stuff. You should go to twitch.livespace.sc and check those things out. Anyway, it's been great talking with everyone. So let's keep this up, and let's see you soon again. Bye.